In my last video, I am going to show you how to publish your Google site. You've done everything from naming it, you got it saved, you have different subjects, different pages, maybe you've uploaded a project, and the publish is the gigantic button up here that says publish. You're going to click on that. This is going to be called social studies. I'm not going to change that, but if you wanted to change it, it would update it down here. We're just going to stick with social studies. Then I'm going to click publish, and it has successfully been published. I can view it, see what it will look like for everyone else, and obviously you would want to make it look a lot nicer than what I've done so far, which I will do that later today. But that is how you publish your Google site.